I mean, it's basic knowledge to season the cutting board first. We all know that. Well, no, not everybody knows that. Let's be nice to those that don't know. Also, the smartest people are those that ask questions. Just FYI. Also, sorry if I sound a little tired. I just got out of watching John Wick 4 and it's really late. Really good movie, by the way. So first, let me go over why you should season your cutting board. First off, you want to protect your investment, right? So it only makes sense. You need to create that layer of protection to keep it safe with the blades that you cut with, or the heat, or bacteria from foods like poultry, meat, stuff like that. So that is one of the main reasons for seasoning the cutting board. You're creating that outer layer of protection. It's also going to keep it looking nice, which is a plus. And then some of you are asking lots of questions as to what oil am I using? So what kind of oil do I use to season my cutting boards? I'll let you know right now, it's mineral oil. Now the reason why using mineral oil is because it's transparent, it has no odor, it has no taste. It's the best one to use. Like, you don't want to use olive oil or something like that because it's gonna have a taste and odor. It's gonna leave a weird film on it. Now I can tell you the brand that I use is Booze Block mineral oil. You can find it at most kitchen stores, Sur La Table, Williams Sonoma, supermarkets like Walmart, stuff like that. They have it. I also have this other oil that I use. I'll link it in the description if you want. It is antibacterial, so it also cleans it. Now on top of using oil, you want to use the initial board cream when you buy a board to create that first seal. If you don't have the cream, just oil it heavy that first day and let it sit overnight. And that's the type of oil that I use for my cutting board. And if you subscribe, I just might oil you up.